Hi everyone. So on Monday I said in the sixth metaphor that your values are the stepping stones on which you walk to live out your life purpose. Now, I believe we have core and supporting values. So I'm going to share a core value of mine represented by this container, which is the core value of accountability. Now, I think values really do need to be personal. So if I was in a room with 5 other people, I'm sure that this may be a value held close by at least a few of them. So what is accountability to me? And this is where supporting values are really, really helpful. So what makes up the value of accountability? So inside we have some supporting values. Number 1, leadership. I think a good leader does take accountability of what happens. Number 2, consciousness. Really being present in a moment is definitely needed, as far as I'm concerned, to be truly accountable. Number 3, choice. We're always at a point of choice, so we can always choose how we're being accountable and what we can do when we are accountable. And lastly, because it's a tube that only contains 4 balls, vulnerability. So it's okay to hold up your hand when maybe things don't go to plan and your plan has an influence on other people. I think vulnerability is a really powerful superpower, especially for men. And there is a 5th ball, but the tube only contains 4, but the 5th one would be progress. I think that's a core value, a supporting value of accountability, because when we are accountable, we can then learn from our mistakes and then move forward more accurately and more effectively. So these are my supporting values, that's the 5th one, of my core value of accountability. So maybe choose one of your core values or one of your values and think about what contributes to that being an important word as far as you're concerned in your life. Now, because I now know 5 different things to support this value, I can recognize those 5 things in my life, and these are like the mini steps to then step on this big step in my life. So mini stepping stones to get to the big ones. I like to get my clients to choose 5 core values, and each of those having 5 supporting values. And it actually sometimes it can help us realise that we are closer to what we deem to be important in our lives than we think, because we now know exactly what we're recognising. We can say just accountability, fine, but what is accountability? And we've got 5 different opportunities to support accountability by knowing what the supporting values are. Tune in on Friday for some more words on values.